Welcome to our artists, to our esteemed guests.
Keeping together is progress, working together is success. And these words by Henry Ford is the philosophy of Funun Arts Group.
In the middle of the climate and biodiversity emergency, there's a lot happening in the world.
From then we have seen a lot of tsunamis, unprecedented storms, and a lot of things which have happened throughout the world.
Biodiversity is like a massive intricate puzzle. Each species is a piece, and removing even one weakens the whole picture.
Bees are responsible for 1 of every 3 bites of food we consume. They pollinate over 80% of the global food crops.
Some forests, our trees are talking to each other, linking with each other, fungus, algae. These are all very small creatures, but all together they come and work in the favor of human beings.
And if we don't speak for the voices right now, tomorrow we shall have nothing left to speak for.
Our planet is being damaged every single day. This planet is not just our home, it's our history, it's our future. And we are not just borrowing it, we are responsible for protecting it.
Every plant, insect, bird and animal, no matter how small, has a role to play.
But the fact is the earth does not need to be led, it needs to be listened to. And I think along the way we've forgotten how to listen.